Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up settings right here, and from settings go to storage, and you will find your SD card. Once you tap on it, we'll open it up and show you the content of it, and tap on the three dots from here and select storage settings, from where you should find format option. Once you tap on it, we'll give you a message that this will basically remove all the data from it. So if you have something that you would like to back up, you might want to do it before you proceed further with this. But assuming you don't, you can just tap on format SD card. The process will begin. It's a fairly brief one, and it just takes several seconds. And once it's finished, which should be right about now, there it goes. The card is now immediately ready to be used once more. So that is how you would format it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.